So I'm Sagar Suri, one of the directors at RS Fragrances. RS Fragrances has been a family-owned business and have been creating fragrances for over 40 years now. We have been, I myself have studied fragrances from France, and I have worked with a couple of multinationals in my prior experience, and then joined the ties with my family. And since then we've been exploring and creating exceptionally well fragrances in the industry. We cater to almost all product categories in the consumer product division. We create fragrances from fabric care to home care to incense to air care and especially skin care. That's one of our expertise as well. Well, for any company, we are most excited to make the big brands, to get the right network, to get the right links in the R&D. As we are one of the ingredient supplier to any of the product category, we are always more excited about meeting people from the R&D team who are taking care of the product development. It's always great to meet other peers as well from the fragrance industry to know what the buzz is all about and how the industry is evolving over the years, and what's the future for our industry. So CMPL has been a great platform to meet such kind of people. Well, definitely, we would want to see a much larger crowd and a lot more turn up. While I do understand this is probably the second edition of CMPL in Delhi, and CMPL does a great job in Mumbai. I've visited there before, and I wish CMPL best of luck to and encourage them to be more confident in getting more players. Contract manufacturing and private labeling is a huge market. So maybe getting more players. I would be a little selfish here and talk about the products where fragrances are a must. So definitely people more from personal care industry, from fine fragrances, from home care, detergents would be a great idea to have in the future. Definitely, the most important part is networking. That's the agenda of any network. We as a brand come here to find new leads, to connect with new people. Uh, like our company is based out of Lucknow, it becomes a little tough for us to be introduced to bigger brands, to know, which are the new startups, and to get to meet people like that is just an amazing experience. Networking.